banned in the US, but still sneaking in. The Huawei Watch GT5's 14-day battery and golf swing smarts are turning heads via gray market imports. Is this the Android sleeper hit you've been missing? Let's find out. Hey tech fam! Huawei's Watch GT5 is dodging US trade walls and landing on wrists anyway, thanks to gray market hustle. Today we're unpacking why it's trending on the down low. Let's dive in. So what's the deal? Huawei's US ban thanks to trade drama means no official sales, but gray market imports are bringing the Watch GT5 stateside. Tech Radar's March 10, 2025 scoop calls it a niche Android star. Why? A 14-day battery, 46mm version, blows past Apple's 18 hours, plus a slick ceramic finish, nanotech fancy makes it a lightweight 53 grams of premium vibes. It's not just looks. Runners, cyclists, and golfers are snagging it off sites like eBay for $250 to $300. Here's the kicker. Golf swing analysis. This thing tracks backswing, downswing, tempo, over 15,000 course maps baked in. X-Posts rave about its 3D fairway views and swing tips, perfect for weekend warriors. Tech Radar says it's a Garmin rival, with Sunflower GPS boosting accuracy by 40%. Add heart rate, sleep tracking, and a sapphire glass screen, it's a fitness beast. The downside, no US warranty, and Harmony OS skips some app perks for Android diehards. So why is it niche? Trade restrictions keep it hush-hush. Huawei's not pushing ads here, but Android fans are tired of Samsung or Fitbit and are hunting it down. At $300-ish, it's a steal for 14-day juice and golf cred. Risky? Sure, gray market means no safety net, but still, it's a bold flex for tech rebels. Would you snack a Watch GT5 or stick to the usual suspects? Drop your take in the comments.